Welcome, viewers, to my channel. Today, I am going to predict about the Cancerian zodiac signs 2021. How the planetary transit will give results to the Cancer zodiac sign people. Viewers, Cancerians will have a very important year 2021. They will, no doubt, they are going to achieve many success stories. At the same time, without any doubt, they have to encounter slightly challenging 2021 also. There is a logic, astrological logic behind this. The simple logic is the transit of Saturn in Capricorn and its harsh aspect upon your sign will be little bit difficult to sail through. There are chances of big happiness in career and personal life. At the same time, other moment there are chances of reverse also. But Saturn is known to reward hard work amply and efforts in a big way. Therefore, nothing to worry. Those challenges are going to open the golden gate of super success story for you in 2021. Therefore, all those Cancer zodiac sign native willing to put in their suite are likely to improve their fortune. Definitely, your fortune is going to make a change in terms of the transit impact is concerned. Viewers, at the same time, Jupiter will be transiting over Aquarius that will contain the impediments, obstructions you may come across this year. The divine grace, the divine influence of Devaguru Brihaspati, Jupiter on you help you to gain a lot of financial benefits, help you to encounter challenges which you will face because of your weak moon and Saturn's impact. Overall, it is going to be a very fantastic year. Your achievements will overpower your failures. It would be important to continuously work hard and make new fortune. Viewers, if I speak about your career and business, whatever profession you are, the planetary position and the transit for, for Cancer zodiac sign people, to me, it indicates this is going to a year of career success, a business growth, a gain. At the same time, there will be some challenges. With knowledge, the urge to earn money via a proper career will also be very high this year. Cancer natives who have been looking for stability in their career will find 2021 the golden year. You will get a stable job in administration or a bureaucracy or a banking, finance or industry or corporate positionings, or you will do business overseas. There will be more work and less time for leisure. You will be putting double efforts to make yourself felt within your company and organization. These efforts from your side will give you success and elevate your positions. Further, the year needs caution for those who have been looking to work on partnership business. Saturn aspecting your sign will not let you progress easily. That is why in the beginning of the talk I mentioned that Saturn is aspecting your sign. What Saturn does? Saturn restricts you. But do not mean this that restriction means uh, a failure. Restriction means it will change your fortune in a bigger way. Saturn is a karmic planet. So your karma will be at work very rapid space in the new year. Misunderstanding can be high, and you will have to put them to rest amicably. It is clearly indicated. Misunderstanding may be in personal life or a business affair, so this thing you must take care. No doubt, coming 18 months for you Cancerians after 23rd September 2020, when Rahu changed its position from Gemini to Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio, perhaps the best year yet to come. 2020 was not good at all for Cancerian people because of the impact of Rahu, the bad impact of Rahu and Ketu. Even the Rahu Ketu has created Corona, and see how the world order, the world peace it has disturbed. And it has played a negative role, a bad influence, and is still playing up to December 2020 for you. But 2021 is a major year in terms of career growth, personal gain, marriage, happiness, new job, promotion. No doubt there will be challenges, whatever you do, because Saturn, Shani, is aspecting your sign. When it aspects, it slow down any move you make in business, any move you make in career. So pray to Lord Saturn. You will find things more amicable, more friendly, and more peaceful. Let me tell you, viewers, you people Cancerian, along with a good career, health is also important. And this is one area where Cancer natives will have to be careful. As Saturn is in its own sign, it would make you quite sluggish and shall not let you enjoy a good sleep. Tension and worry will be there. However, the good part is that the transit of Jupiter, Devaguru Brihaspati, upon the sign of Aquarius will contain any serious elements this year. So nothing to worry. Divine planet Jupiter is in your favor and good aspect. This will come as a relief on your health front also. 2020 was not at all good in terms of health, very bad year. But 2021 is a mega fortune changer for you Cancerian people. Despite challenges, I am only speaking about the transitory result. The year will also see good accumulation of wealth. You will accumulate wealth in a big way. House, a car, marriage of your children, even yours, love affairs, romance, a foreign journey, or some appointment, some good message to your life. Spirituality, meditation will come in a big way. But at the same time, as long as Saturn aspecting your sign, there will be mental depressions and somebody may deceive you also. So take care, do prayer, chant Kleem mantra, Kleem. It will help you to remain positive and attract positive vibrations. Kleem, chant 108 times daily. Let me tell you further, but wealth creation can happen only with the proper usage of money. Again, married life will see some disturbances as Saturn is aspecting Moon. If you are already married, take care. But thankful to Jupiter's transit on Aquarius, viewers will enable you to support from elders who will help you to resolve your any issue in personal life or difference of opinion anywhere. If you are looking for partner for marriage, you should ideally wait for some time, at least up to June 2021. Thereafter, you can go for marriage. Prior to that, if you are going to marriage, there will be disturbances. Chances are more. Viewers, let me tell you, Cancerian people will have a good time, no doubt in it. As I said, there will be challenges because of Saturn's influence on your sign, which is, I will say, the first house, moon sign, the Lagna. So everything, your nature, your mood, your thinking power is being totally influenced by Saturn's transitory power. On the positive note, with the advent of 2021, from the January itself, there you will see continuous rise in income. A lot of wealth, money will come in. It is very clear prediction for you, as Jupiter is an aspecting income house of Leo, and this will be the reason for improving income for the year. You will see the cash balance improving, and this will enhance your fortune. However, the aspect of Saturn upon your sign from Capricorn will make you see an increase in expenditure also. You will also see an increase in expenditure due to the transit of Jupiter through the zodiac sign Aquarius. Make sure that you do not rush up to any temptation and spend without looking up to the matter on hand as per the transit. If you ask me, where are the areas where Cancerian people should take special care in 2021? Let me tell you, my viewers, considering the personal and romantic life of you Cancerian native, the year will be slightly challenging, as misunderstanding will be the reason for fights as per your Cancer horoscope 2021. Saturn in the house Aquarius aspecting your sign is the main reason. Saturn in the house of partner, marriage, love affairs, and its aspect upon your sign will be the astrological cause of misunderstanding. It is purely scientific. More so in the middle of the years, starting from say May till September 2021, this time period will be, you should take care. Around this phase, Saturn will also aspect the house of romance and love, which will lead to continuous fights and personal clashes. You are advised not to be harsh and firm upon your point of view this year. Other things are superb in terms of financial gain, promotion, name, but your personal life may be hit. Your romance may be hit. Somebody will deceive you, or some kind of separation may take place, because Shani, Saturn, is in your 7th house of marriage and relationship. Having touched the issue of romance and love, viewers, other areas of life should also be analyzed, such as education, academics, what store for you in 2021, because I'm speaking very briefly. The year 2021 will demand more effort from students. Do not expect the support of luck to enhance your fortune, as this will take away your scope of securing good grades. Again, the year is average for skills that enhance learning through formal education. You can, however, take up vocational learning to improve your knowledge, as you will put your knowledge in regular practice. This will enable you to improve your working knowledge for days to come. Overall, it's good for your career growth and development, and you will get a stability in your career. Most probably, many of you will get a government job in administration or a police department or a judiciary, or a government job in or a school, college, university, banking, finance, or corporate. And many of you after June will tie knot some love affairs, romance. Prior to June, there are problem of clashes, separation. Viewers, finally I will say this year is superb, brilliant for you, financial gains, love, marriage, everything. But you may face some challenges, as I said. Those will be tough and you will deal with, because Jupiter is in your favor. Saturn in your 7th house is not in your favor, because Saturn is aspecting your sign. Hence, it will restrict you. Take care up to June. Thereafter, things are very bright. Chant, claim, this mantra. Wear, I will say, blue sapphire. Donate to the poor people. Do charity. Go for blood donation. Donate food, clothes, medicine. Help those who are poor, needy. Definitely Saturn will bestow you. Pray more for not only your well-being, but the well-being of all people, all masses who are on this earth. Be spiritual and realize that the truth is the God. This will also pass away. overall it is one of the best year, because Saturn, if it poses challenges, it gives bigger returns, a lottery like returns. Stay in touch, subscribe my channel, give your good wishes to me, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye viewers, thank you.